Long day into the day recap out right here in the YouTube live room, my room. Just wanted to update everyone. Okay, so this aerate versus mechanical aeration clip that I'm going to be showing, it's pretty interesting. One thing you have to keep in mind, at least at this point, it's been 3 days since the initial application. Right now, the aerate is ahead of the mechanical aeration. That could be because, well, the last 2 days previous to today, we've had warm temperatures. We've been in the upper 70s. It's been nice and warm. Today was cool, but it was very sunny. And we've had between a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch to rain this week. So we've had moisture to work the fertilizer into the ground. It's been scalped down, more sun exposure, and heat from 2 solid days. There is a bit of a line there between the liquid aeration and the mechanical aeration. That may even out. It's yet to be determined. Again, we're 3 days in. There's a lot left to go. The other property is the one where I elected to run a high rate of humic and kelp in lieu of top dressing that property. That property is doing okay. The front is excelling really well. The backyard, the center strip in the backyard is doing really well. On both corners of the backyard, probably where the highest amounts of runoff take place, the grass is turning purple and it is not responding to nitrogen, which tells me that it is phosphorus deficient. Whenever you begin to see purple in turf grass like that, typically it's related to phos deficiencies. So anyway, y'all, just wanted to update y'all. Quick video, short video today. Hope y'all have a good one. Y'all take it easy. 3 days after application.
This season.
This is my aerated side, mechanical aeration. See a plug. A little green up down here. See some over here. This is the aerate side.
Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like
Aerate side. Is it dead? Come over here and again, this here is the mechanical aeration line.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing.